Okay guys, this is the video that if you're looking for the top 10 YouTube Shorts videos that made them multi-millionaires, then you are on the right page. Guys, this is really exciting. I'm going to go step by step from 10, from the least amount of money made, all the way to number 1 for the most amount of money made. And these guys made $6 million for YouTube Shorts. If you want to see that video, definitely stick around to the end of this, alright? So let's get into number 10 right now. Okay guys, so for number 10, When Karen Knocks at Janet's Door Shorts. This got 23 million views. And check this out, it's absolutely hilarious.
Karen? Yeah, you got the wrong house. No? Yeah, no, actually, the uptight, miserable, middle-aged spawn Satan meeting is down the street. You're gonna take a left. You're gonna see a cliff. You're gonna jump off. I'm here because my son Hunter.
Alright, so this girl does a Karen parody and she absolutely nails it. So if you guys have a strong personality and you want to just play off yourself and shoot different scenes, that's definitely one of the ways that you can do a short and crush it. This channel right here makes $223,000 per month. Very serious money. Alright, let's go into number 9. This man right here needs no introduction. MrBeast, the guy pretty much breaks the internet every time he uploads a video, and he actually has a new channel for just shorts, and it's called MrBeast Shorts. And this one got 38 million views, and it's called Prank Calling Dream. Check it out.
Next week, we want to go into school, and we just want to take a bunch of poop and smear it all over every desk in the school. Like, save up our poop for like a week straight. Hear me out. Just.
All right, so if you're good at creating pranks for someone or to your friends, going back and forth, bantering it out, and just doing cool things that the people can know about it or even not know about it. It's obviously funny if they don't know about it because the reaction becomes really genuine and then you get a better reaction from people instead of a fake one. But either one works, to be honest with you. I have 2 different videos that will show the difference between the 2. This channel right here makes $404,000 a month. Alright guys, let's go to number 8. Okay, we have homemade toothpaste, right? This guy's a dentist and he's trying to reach out to his audience by doing clever and fun and cool things that you can do with teeth care, okay? And this video got 183 million views. And it's really simple. He pretty much just takes his mouth, makes it purple, and then uses homemade toothpaste in order to brush it out. Check it out.
Let's check the before results. I'm going to be using one of my favorite toothbrushes, the Curaprox Fat Glob. If you guys want to see how I made the toothpaste, check out my YouTube channel. Let's get brushing. It starts off pretty nasty, but slowly gets better as you keep brushing. My homemade toothpaste didn't taste too bad, but it's definitely not replacing my normal toothpaste.
Boom. And that's it. Alright, so he basically just brushed his teeth on camera. How many people here can brush their teeth? You should be doing it at least twice a day. So very, very easy short. And this channel is making $584,000 every single month. Boom. Let's go to number 7. Luke Davis Fax. Alright, so if you're into the latest Google trends or anything like that, what's popping today, and you just want to put together mini shorts inside of a short and just talk about it, this is a great channel to model. Definitely check this out. 20 million views and photos you'll have to look at twice, part 2. So he did 1 and this is the second one. Check it out.
Photos you'll have to look at twice. At first it looks like they're on a really thin edge, but if you tilt your phone, they're all just laying down. At first it looks like this boy has big arms, but it's actually just somebody behind him.
Alright, so that's pretty simple, right? You guys can put together small shorts to make a bigger short. And this is what this guy does over and over again, like clockwork. This channel right here makes $549,000 every single month. Ka-ching! Alright, let's go to the next video. And for number 6, if you see this, you are being watched. Okay, this guy puts together a couple mini shorts and then gives an explanation on what it is about and how you can potentially prevent yourself from being robbed by a mugger with your car by someone leaving a $100 bill. Check it out.
Number 2, if you see this, do not touch it. You are being watched. Like any human would do, you go to the parking lot, find your car, unlock it, and start the ignition. But then you see money on your windshield, so you get out of the car and go get it. But right when you did that, you just lost your car, documentaries, and wallet. Criminal placed that money there and was watching you the whole time.
Boom. Gave you a short tidbit. You learned about what to do and what not to do when it comes to getting robbed, all right? And this is a very simple video. He pretty much just read from the prompter and had a video in the background as far as like a green screen or something, and just changed the screen. Very simple to do. Got 15 million views. And this channel right here, guys, about to blow you away, is just $70,000 shy of $1 million a month. $936,000 a freaking month from doing this short. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's go to the next video. And number 5, we have the best ping pong game ever. It's really fun. So if you're into indoor sports and you want to just put together with something with you and your friends, then this is a great video to kind of shoot, and you just take really awesome shots. You know, maybe it takes 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 takes to make the shot, but then you record that shot, re-upload it, have natural reactions on it, and boom, go viral. This video got 37 million views. Check it out.
Oh,
Nice.
here you go.
Thanks.
Here you go, take it.
All right, so that's really simple. Anyone can do this. You can upload it, and if you can consistently upload things like this, you're going to go viral. And check it out, guys. This video made them millionaires. $1.7 million every single month, like clockwork. Let's go to video number 4. What's it like growing up Asian, part 1. So already you know he's going to do multiple in a series for this one. And this is a great thing to do if you come from, you know, another country and you want to parody what it's like growing up in the United States. Make sure you're only doing it with your ethnicity and don't try to do it with someone else. Otherwise, you could get frowned on, because it's not funny making fun of other people today and age. Just make fun of yourself and it can blow up. This YouTube short got 23 million views, and check it out.
Hey guys, what did you get for lunch? Lunchables, because I'm not lame like you. What'd you get? Ramen? Actually, I got sushi. Do you want some? Ew, get that away from me. Hey everyone, the weird kid's eating raw fish.
Okay, so basically he did the Karen thing, kind of made, you know, 2 different people, played it out himself, and is absolutely crushing it, getting a lot of followers, getting a lot of views, and most importantly, making a lot of money. This video literally put him on the map and is making him millions of dollars. This video has done $1.2 million per freaking month. All right, let's go to number 3. And guys, before we get into number 3, I just want to say, if you are interested in creating shorts and making money from this, I have a video at the bottom of this description where you can go and check it out, where I show you exactly how you can create YouTube shorts without showing your face, without making the video yourself, or without even having to have a robust personality where you have to do anything. You can literally be behind the scenes, and in 3 simple steps, you're going to be able to create shorts and upload them ongoingly until you start to get virality and start making money. So definitely check out that free video, and I will see you on number 3 right now. Let's do it. Okay, so this is how a flight attendant treats nice versus mean passengers. 17 million views, and again, parody against themselves. They're doing their passenger thing, and they're just showing you the differences of how she's going to treat them. Let's check it out right now.
For the next meal service, I'll let you choose first.
Is there chicken in the next meal?
No, it's a different meal.
Oh.
You can have my chicken. I didn't touch it. I'll just take the beef. Sir, that's so kind of you. You didn't have to do that.
Finally, one decent person on this plane.
Excuse me, sir. They actually had some leftover chicken in first class, so I just brought you some. Hello? Why didn't you offer that to me before?
All right, very simple. She actually played 3 people in this one, went back and forth. Again, in the backdrop, she just had a green screen, and with that green screen, she was just able to have herself in an airplane and created that scenario. Got a lot of views, and this channel makes $1.9 million. I'll repeat that, $1.9 million every single month. Okay, guys, let's go to number 2. Insane strawberry trick. So, listen, if you're into magic, whether you can actually do magic or not do magic, what you'll see in this case for this video right here, it's a great way to get people's attention. You can do it with under 50 seconds, and you can pull off a trick and literally have people amazed. This is not the case. He does not know how to do magic, but still, he gets 276 million views from this video. So check it out. Grabs a strawberry, has an egg in a carton, and watch what happens. Okay, so basically that was it. I mean, from that video, he's absolutely crushing it. Dan Rhodes, he's a famous influencer. He's got multiple channels, but at the same time, he brought his channel over from TikTok, and now he does shorts just like this, and he's crushing it, making $2.5 million per freaking month. Absolutely incredible. All right, so now for the number 1 channel, get ready for this. Okay, these two guys are friends, and they put together this video that absolutely went berserk. All right, and we're gonna go check it out right now. This video makes them so much money. It's absolutely ridiculous, and it's so simple, anyone can do. Check it out. Who is smarter? If you haven't seen this yet, you're about to see it right now. 259 million views, and it continues to continue to grow over and over and over again every single day, going more viral and more viral. Let's check out this video, and I'll see you very soon. All right, so in this one, like I said, pranks, they could either be real or they could be fake. At this point, it really doesn't matter. People are just looking to be entertained. So if you can entertain people, put together a spoof of a prank or an actual prank, either one is going to do well. So definitely try to get into that niche, because you will, if you do it the right way, get virality. And I'm going to show you actually how to do it again. If you go to the bottom of this page or you check out the video here or here, it's going to show you how to put together a YouTube short in 3 simple steps anyone can do without showing your face, without being on camera, or without being a personality, anything like that. And you won't even have to make the video. So really cool. Definitely check this out. And this video makes $6.1 million per freaking month. Absolutely incredible, guys. This was the top 10 list of channels that do millions of dollars with YouTube Shorts, and these guys became multi-millionaires from this video. If you got value, if you like this and you enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. I'll see you on the next video.